Excellent, excellent, excellent. There we go, right. So hi, yes, Guitar Basics book. And the first thing we're going to do is check some notes on our treble clef. On the music stave. Right, so the music stave is drawn out here with our 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as I said, the treble clef, the big squiggly thing at the beginning there, right? Now, the notes that we've really done on our guitar so far are the ones that use mainly the open strings, aren't they? So the bottom string, that was the E note. And then the second string, do you remember what the second string was? Go on, shout it out. The B, yay! And then shout out the third one. That's a G. And then also the fourth string here, the really low one, which is a D. So they're kind of ones that we've focused on so far. But we've also got this one that we added in last week. Some of you have done it before that as well. But this one here on the 2nd fret on that 3rd string. So what was that one? Do you remember what that one was? The song we did last week went... I'm not going to tell you actually. No, I'm not going to remind you because we're going to do it in a minute. But it was Reggae GAGA. Have a little think. Why is it called Reggae GAGA? Reggae GAGA. G-A-G-A. Is that a clue? I think it is. So let's go back to our music stave here. And we had a note there, right at the top between those 2 top lines. And then we had another one here, right on that middle line. And another one there, which is on the 2nd line, okay? And we added this note last week. As I said, some of you had done it before, but we added this one the other week. And I'm going to pop it here, which again is in between the 2 lines there in that space. So we've got these 4 notes, what we really want to think about today. Okay. Right, let's have a little look at what they are. So if I give you a minute, what I'd like you to do is have a little think about what they are. So we've got a blue one here, a pink, a red, and a yellow. So what notes are they? Have a little think about it. Okay, so the blue one right near the top. Anyone remember that one? Again, shout it out. Make lots of noise. Shout it. Yes, it's an E. That's an E there. And then the pink one. The pink one on the middle line. That's the B. I'll draw a little line down to it as well so you can see. It's nice and clear then, isn't it? There's a B. And then the third one, that red one, that is a G. And then we have this one that we kind of added in very recently, using that 2nd finger on that G string in the gap. And that is, hopefully you're shouting at me at the moment, because we should remember this one, I reckon. That is the A. So they're the 4 notes really we want to think about most at the moment. E, B, G, and A. Okay, so let's pop this down again. Hopefully you can still see that. I will check in a minute when the video catches up. All right, so that is the E, B, G, and A. So let's play the E. Right, play me an E note, please. Here we go. Hopefully you've done this first string at the bottom. Like that. And then we need the pink one here, the B. Let's play the B note. That's the 2nd string, isn't it? And there we go, that's the B. Then we're going to play the 3rd one, which we've got is the G. So play a G. hopefully you've just done the third string. And then the final one we've got is the A. And the A is also on that third string, isn't it? But we're using our finger. Which finger do we use? Do you remember? Right, it's that second finger. It's your middle finger, isn't it? So that's going to go on the second fret there. Okay, so we've got B, E, G, A. Okay, excellent. So, what did we do last week? Let me just turn my page back over. Do you remember Reggae Gaga? We were looking at this last week. So this is on page 11. Page 11. So I'll just give you a second to turn to that one if you're not on there already. So yeah, page 11 and Reggae Gaga. So as I said, all the notes we've done so far are E, B, A, G and D. Haven't got D on here at the moment. I'll add that in a minute. Let's check if I've got another. Yeah, there's the green one. I'll pop that one on in a minute. Okay, so let's have a little look at Reggae Gaga again. Have a quick look. The first four notes. Can you see which line they're on? They are on the second line, just like the red one here, aren't they? So we've got 4 G's, then we've got 4 of those squiggles, which are our rests. And then we've got another 4 G's again, haven't we, on that second line? And then 4 more squiggles, 4 more rests. And then we've got 4 A's before we've got 4 more rests, and we finish with 4 G's and more squiggles. So hopefully you remember this from last week and we've had time to practice. I know we've had a busy week. We even had snow yesterday, so that was fantastic. Right, but hopefully amongst all the excitement we found time to do a little bit of practice. So what we need to do for this one is grab your guitars. We're going to start on the G note. So that's the third string. And if you can play with me, that'd be fantastic. So we're going to play 4 G's. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got 4 rests. So just rest, 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 rest. And then 4 G's again. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 more rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to get that A on. So make sure you got your finger on the A. Okay, here we go. 4 again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 more rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 more G's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole song. We have to play it 4 times, don't we? So we repeat it a lot. Remember, when you're playing the G's, keep your hand up here ready for that A note. Don't just kind of take it off or put it down here or anything, okay? Because then that makes it really hard to get back up for the A. So keep it nice and close to the A. Just hover over that A note. So when you need to get it, it's really easy. You can just pop that finger straight on, all right? Okay, here we go. Going to play it together. And then after that, we're going to do it with the music as well. So let's start just together with no music, but I'll count, all right? So you ready? On the G. Keep the finger hovering for that A. And 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 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 G. And rest, 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 rest. And G, 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 G. And rest, 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 rest. And the A, 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 A. And rest, 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 rest. And G, 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 and rest, rest. We're doing it again. And G, 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 and rest, 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 rest. And G, 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 and rest, rest, rest. Then the A, 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 and rest, 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 rest. And G, 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 and rest, 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 rest. Okay, so now we've hopefully remembered it, because we did do this last week, all right? Now we've had a little bit of time to remember it though, let's have a play with the music. So I'm going to start it off a little bit slower than usual. Have a little listen first, let's just check out the speed, make sure we're happy with it. So, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the A. And then the G. Okay, I've just paused it because, as I said, just listen. You just needed to listen to that time just to try and get the speed. But this time we're going to play along. If you did play along, then well done. Right, this time we're going to play along and we're going to do the whole thing as it says in the book 4 times, okay? Here we go. So page 11, if you've just joined. So page 11, remember, okay? And here we are. One, 2, 3, 4. And again with 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. A, rest. And G, 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 rest, rest, rest. And again, G, 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 rest, 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 rest. G, 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 rest, rest. And the A. And the rest, rest. And G, 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 G. Couple more times, here we go. G, 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 rest, 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 rest. Get ready with the A. And A. 2, 3, 4. G, 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 G. 1, 2. Last time. And G, 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 G. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. And the A. And now the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. We did it. Really well done if you managed to play through that. Really, really good. All right, so now we're going to do it at full speed, so it's a little bit quicker. And we'll soon find out if you've managed to practice this week. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the A. Back to G. And from the beginning. 3, 4. And then the A again. Back to the G. From the beginning, 3rd time. And again. And then the A. And the G. Last time from the top. G, 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 G. And again. To the A. And to the G. That's it. We're done. Excellent job. Well done. Really well done if you played that. Because it gets quite quick, doesn't it? Right. If we just look down in the book slightly, you'll see the note reminder. So still on page 11 at the moment. So that's the note reminder here. Which, as you might notice, looks very similar to what we've got up here. And if you just check it, we're missing one note. So we've got, what's this one? Shout them out. And then if you look in the book, there's just one there that we don't have yet, which is, which one is it? Again, give it a shout out if you know it. I'm going to plonk this on just below that first line. That is the D, isn't it? So if you were shouting out D, well done, you are correct. All right, that's the D note. And they're all the ones that we've done so far. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go on to the next page, all right? Because I want to look at House of Doom, the House of Doom, because this is quite a fun song. Okay, so the first thing we're going to notice is that the House of Doom uses lots of different notes. But which ones? Okay, so let's check them out. So first of all, we have the notes at the top, don't we? So they are the E notes, just like this blue marker here. So we've got 2 E's followed by one in the middle, which is a B. So feel free, by the way, if you've got your book out, just to write these down in your book, because it will help you. So we've got E, E, B, and then, careful with this one, because it goes down to the A, doesn't it? So A, A, A. So from the beginning, we've got E, E, B, A, A, A. Okay, E, E, B, and then A, A, A. All right, and then the third bit goes E, E, B, B, and then A again. So we've got E, E, B, A, A, A. E, E, B, B, A. All right. So let's have a think about how we need to play that. Again, like I said, if you've got a pencil, write those in your book. It will help you remember. So the first 3 notes we've just worked out by looking at our board here that they are E, E, B. So let's have a little go at playing that. So remember, E is your first string and B is your second string. So we just have to go E, E, B. All right? E, E, B. So play that with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B. Yes, nice. Right. Then the next 3 notes we said are, have a quick look at them. A, A, A. Right. So we're going to go E, E, B, A, A, A. So just like with Reggae Gaga, it's a great idea to have that finger just hovering ready to get on that A, okay? So play with me. E, E, B, A, A, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, A, A, A. All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A, A, A. Nice, good job if you're doing that. Now the next bit looks a bit more difficult, but it's just E, E, B, B, A. Now if you think about it, all that means we do is we play 2 on this first string, E, E, go up 1 string, B, B, go up 1 string, A, because we've already got our finger on that A, haven't we, from the other bit. All right, so let me just play it for you from the beginning and it will all make sense, I'm sure. So we're going to go E, E, B, A, 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 and then back to the top string, E, E, B, B, A. All right, so really think about that. When you get to that last bit, E, E, B, B, A, we're just going from the first string, E, E, to the second string, B, B, to the third string, A. All right, let's play all of that top line and let's see if we can do it all together. All right, so get your fingers ready on those guitars. You can have that finger hovering for the A note, or you can even already have it down if you want to. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, we're going to do the first little bit, E, E, B, A, 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 and then pause. Here we go. E, E, B, A, A, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A, A, A. Good job. And then the next bit, E, E, B, B, A. So remember coming up the strings. So we're going to start in 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, B, A. Right, so the whole thing one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A, A, A. And E, E, B, B, A. Right. Let's look at the second line. Remember, if you're watching this after the live stream, as I know a few of you do, then just rewind it and play along, and rewind it and play along until you're happy with that bit, okay? No rush, take your time with it. Second line. Have a quick look at the second line. How does it start? Do you notice anything about that? So that second line, you should notice, starts exactly the same way the first line did, with E, E, B, A, A, A. All right? So E, E, B, A, A, A. So exactly the same start. So we already know that bit. So let's just play that bit again. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, A, A, A. Excellent. Now what we do, this is a little bit different now. We're going to take our finger off that A, okay, and play the G. So we're going to play 2 Gs, G, G, and then 2 Bs, B, B, and then an E. So if you think about it, what we're doing now is we're going up the strings instead. So we're going G, G, B, B, E. All right? So in the first one we went this way up the strings, and this time we're going the opposite way. So let's just try that bit again. So with no fingers on, so remember it starts on a G, that last bit. So let me play it. G, G, B, B, E. Right? So that finger comes off. So let's just do that bit together. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, B, B, E. And one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, B, B, E. Okay, so the whole of the bottom line. Here we go. E, E, B, A, A, A. G, G, B, B, E. Here we go, right? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A. Finger off. G, G, B, B, E. Let's do it again. Here we go. Straight away. Let's just get back into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A. Finger off. And G, G, B, B, E. How is it? Is it good? Is it good? Let me know. Be really nice to hear that's good. So it's a little bit tricky because the endings are different, but the beginning bits are the same, so that's quite handy. Right, here we go. Let's go from the beginning. Going to do the top line. We'll have a little pause, and then we'll do the second line, all right? So let's have a little look at that top line. Make sure you're looking at the notes, so check them out again. E, E, B, A, A, A. E, E, B, B, A. Okay, so we can keep that A on all the time here, can't we? Right, let's play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A, A. Back to the E, and E, E, B, B, A. Right, that's the top line. So let's do the second line. So remember, with this one at the end there, we've got to take our finger off to get that G note. Right, so it begins in the same way. E, E, B, A, and then finger off for the G, G, B, B, E. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A, and then finger off. G, G, B, B, E. Right, let's do that second line one more time. Normally this is the one that people find slightly harder, the second line. So let's just do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, and A, finger off, and G, G, B, B, E. All right. Now what we're going to do is have a little listen to how the song sounds. Because obviously we want to play along with it, don't we? So let's just find it. The House of Doom. Sounds spooky, doesn't it? I wonder if it is going to be. What's that noise? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, A, second line, E, E, B, A, and finger off, G, G, B, B, E. I like that one. That's funny. I like the thunder. So yeah, that's how it goes. So I'm going to slow it down a bit because it is quite quick, really, right? And we're going to have a little play along and see if we can get through it. So just have a quick look at your music again. Make sure you know what you're going to play. And get your fingers ready for that A note. All right? Quick look through. Look at the top line. And then look at the second line as well. And here we go. I'll try and count us in again with the 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, A, E, E, B, B, A. Second line. E, E, B, A. Finger off. G, G, B, B, E. That was the thunder sound. That was me doing. Did that work? I don't know. I don't know if that worked. All right, one more time. Here we go. There is again. There's a thunder. Fingers ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, E, B, A, E, E, B, B, A. Second line. Finger off. All right, that is all we've got time for. I had fun. Hope you had fun too, and I hope you also learned something. So remember, the notes that we've got are the E, B, G, A, and D. You can always check them in the note review, which is the note reminder it's called, sorry, on page 11. So anytime you're unsure, turn to page 11 and check out the notes there, and then look at the song again, so it'll help you work out exactly what the notes are, okay? Try and practice that House of Doom. Try and get it nice and quick so we can play along with the music at full speed next week, all right? And take care and have a lovely week. All right, bye-bye.